score 6 points. Sorry, both teams score 3 points. Both teams vote red, both teams score lose 3 points. Okay? So if one team votes black and another team votes red, the team which vote black lose 6 points. And the team which vote red gain 6 points.
But the thing is, the moment you put red there, it's going to be a
negative 3 already.
It's going to be negative.
Yeah.
Now put red, right? You may also send a signal to them like, scan.
Yeah,
Maybe. Oh, this is a good point.
Yeah.
Good point. 6 points.
We try one more round and see whether if they change.
He must be laughing at it.
Seven, 8, 9, 10. 10 or 10, 10, 8. 10, 8. Okay.
Guys, last round they voted black.
No point.
Not too bad, not too bad.
We have the numbers.
Did you influence them to vote black or red? Did you influence them
To a certain extent, yes, but it's more towards like one thing that is very interesting to observe is the changing dynamic within the team. Or started to say, or from the attitude of I want to win all out, or 2/3 of the majority all out, to the extent that we started to soften our position to look at more friendly win rather than the absolute victory.
I think to be honest, right, everybody in the group was like thinking, should we go and change and should we stick to our guts and go for black all the way? And we were just like, okay, black all the way from round 1 to round 6, all the way, because we stick to our principles, we stick to our values, and we stick to where we are. And we got the numbers, guys.
So do you still remember the rule of the game? Okay, I'll start the sentence and then you fill in the blanks. The objective of the game is to win, and to win is to
The way to win is
score.
The highest score possible.
Yes, to score the highest score possible, to score the highest point possible. So the way to win is to score the highest point possible. Is that the reason why you choose black?
Yeah, probably, yes.
Okay.
Yes, 100% yes.
100%. Okay. Welcome. Give him a round of applause. Thank you so much. Okay, so yes, actually the best thing is to vote black all the way because you both get points. In life, if you decide to vote black, of course, along the way you might be taken advantage of. That might not be a very wise idea as well. So of course, to a certain extent, we want to stop doing that as well. But do you think you want to stop doing that? So, voting black is like giving love. Giving love makes you a loving person, but doesn't guarantee you reciprocation.